She's just a small town girl, living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Trying to be something she's not, yeah. Anywhere I wasn't going to, now she's all alone, yeah. She took the midnight train going far away from home, yeah, yeah. She's just a small time girl, living in a lonely world, living for herself, yeah. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Trying to find herself, I'm here to lead her anywhere she wants, 'cause I am here. She's all alone. Yeah. She took the midnight train going on and on and on and on, yeah. She's just a small time girl. She's just a small time girl. She took the midnight train going far away from where I am, yeah.
Yo, I thought Shorty had a thing for the kid, but she was thinking he my one-way ticket to going big.
But she ain't feel the same way that I felt, see? She had a different mindset when she checked me.
I knew that, this was my one-way ticket. Only one last chance to convince her I was the man that she wanted to be with, and no one else but. Just like that, she breezed off. She went away and never came back. Hopped on the first thing smoking. She was gone with the wind, how could I win?
Anyway, let it to me. Took one look and knew she was my wifey.
She said, hey, I'm digging your swag, but in the back of her mind, she wasn't feeling my ass.
She's just a small town girl, living in